for beautiful assembly on again a beautiful theme, forgiveness. We heard beautiful stories, we heard beautiful songs. We also got the opportunity to listen to the budding musicians playing their instruments. We heard about the importance of Muharram. So thank you, children, all of you, those who have contributed in today's assembly. Respected parents, teachers, lovely children. When we forgive others, it is not that we are making them feel lighter, but more importantly, when we forgive others, it gives us peace of mind. Along with forgiveness, we also need to learn to seek forgiveness. If we have done something wrong, we should not feel embarrassed to accept it. When we accept our mistake and seek forgiveness, our bonding with the person we are dealing with, whether they are our parents, friends, colleagues, it enhances. Children on launch, we have written Kabir's Doha. Few of you might have read it. Can anyone recall it? Can anyone come here and recall what is written there? What I am mentioning? Kabir's Doha is written in the launch. Anyone from senior classes? Don't remember? It is written, जहां दया
तहाँ धर्म है,
तहां धर्म, जहां लोभ तहां पाप, जहां क्रोध तहां काल, और जहां क्षमा तहां आप. Where daya exists, धर्म follows it. जहां दया नहीं होती वहां धर्म भी नहीं आता. आपके हृदय में अगर दया नहीं है तो आप धार्मिक नहीं हो सकते. धार्मिक होने के लिए आपके हृदय में दया भाव होना जरूरी है. यही कबीर जी कह रहे हैं, जहां दया तहां धर्म. और जहां लोभ आता है, when we get into the grips of greed, what does it follow? It leads us to sin. We adopt wrong means. Jahan lobh, tahan paap. And when we fall into the trap of anger, क्रोध, क्रोध में क्या हो जाता है? हम ऐसा कुछ कर जाते हैं जो हम नहीं करना चाहते. उसी को काल कहते हैं. हम काल के वश में हो जाते हैं और कुछ करने के बाद फिर हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, हमें ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. We need to learn not to be angry. आपने बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुनी ना बुद्धा जी की, जब उनको किसी ने इंसल्ट किया, people were angry at him. What did Buddha say? He said, I'm not accepting what you are giving to me. And if I'm not accepting, then it remains with you. We need to learn such great lessons from these great people. And in the end, Kabir ji says, jahan क्षमा, wahan aap. Aap yani God is present where forgiveness exists. So become wise, choose the right things in life. All of us have been blessed with conscience and intelligence to know the difference. हम लोगों में से कोई भी ऐसा यहाँ नहीं है जिसको अच्छाई में और बुराई में फर्क ना करना आता हो. फर्क करना आने के बाद भी अगर हम गलत रास्ते को चुनते हैं तो उसका जिम्मेवार सिर्फ हम ही होते हैं और कोई नहीं होता. So become intelligent and choose the right things in your life. Your life will become better. Your parents will be happy with you. Your teachers will be happy with you. Similarly, teachers also choose the right things. Whatever are your duties, perform them well. Parents will like you. Children will like you. Everyone will like you. So for all of us, whichever profession we are, if we perform our tasks well, क्षमा का भाव रखें, गलती करें तो माफी मांगे, क्रोध ना करें और दया भाव रखें. This is what we have learned from today's morning assembly, from these little children. So thank you once again. Thank you so much.